Hi, my name is Sheryl-Anne Sastow. I am an attorney and one of the very few accredited mediators with 20 years of experience in mediation, both online and in person. And now, because of COVID-19, I am exclusively doing online mediations. And it is really interesting, works really well, and I'm very, very comfortable with it. You will be too. This video continues to provide you with some additional tips to help you accomplish a smoother divorce, which in turn translates to lower legal fees and less emotional turmoil. As I had suggested in my last video, it would be wise to use the time on your hands because of the situation, if you do have additional time, to gather those critical documents which I spoke about and which I listed for you. And here's some other important tips. Again, I want to emphasize that these tips apply to any cases, whether they are high net worth cases or low net worth cases. It's the same mediation techniques and the same protocols. So here are some do's and don'ts that will make your process less difficult. And I can't stress this enough. Do yourself a favor and don't get bogged down thinking that you need to work out your various agreements prior to the mediation. It would seem intuitive to do so, and that is what most couples do think, and it's understandable. For example, try to figure out whose money belongs to who and whose assets belong to who and who's responsible for what debt and how to divide them up. But that's exactly what I'm saying to you that you should not do to the extent possible. Typically, this has a reverse effect, and it actually complicates matters and creates issues. And from my 20 years of experience, I can tell you that the process runs far more smoothly when you come into the mediation, whether online or in person, without any preconceived ideas or an agreement, because there are laws that need to be considered and facts to be applied to those laws, and that can definitely change the scenario that's being considered. And when people make decisions prior to the mediation without knowing these laws and the additional facts, they typically get stuck in their positions. And then I need to take the time to undo these positions, which can lead to tempest flaring. But there's no choice but to do so because they're things that have been left out. So my advice is to let the mediator handle these discussions during the mediation. And this tip will help things run smoothly and result in less time to work things out, and therefore lower your legal fees and reduce the possible emotional turmoil. So please feel free to contact me via the phone, 516-314-6116, and I'll set up a free Zoom consult, or you can just talk to me on the phone at no charge, or visit my website at www.sastowmediation.com for more information.